Hello and welcome to my channel, The Right Greenhouse Hub. Today this video is about my channel, as here it said. So now let's get forward and let's start the video with some questions. Question 1. What is different to my channel compared to other gardening channels? Well, to answer your question, there are many answers, but my one that stands out compared to the rest is we make mistakes together and we can improve on our gardening skills to help us build lovely, luscious plants like this basil over here. So that's to answer question 1. Question number 2. Why is gardening so important? Well, to answer that question, gardening is so important because it helps build up responsibilities to help grow lovely plants like this, as I said earlier, and it will be very rewarding, like lovely luscious leaves that smell lovely to add in your dishes and your food. Last but not least, question number 3. Question number 3. What will this channel teach you? How to grow courgettes, how to grow pumpkins, how to grow beans, and all those other plants. So this is about my channel. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time. Bye!